Hi, I'm Jamal, the director of the Lilleshall Clinic.
We are based at a purpose-designed facility in the idyllic setting of Lilleshall's National Sports Centre here at the heart of Shropshire. Established over 30 years ago, our team has decades of combined expertise in elite sports, physiotherapy, neuromusculoskeletal problems, and rehabilitation. And we're honoured to have worked and continue to work with some of the UK's biggest sporting names, including Premier League footballers and Olympic and Commonwealth athletes. We are, of course, open to the public, and we see patients of all ages as well as amateur athletes such as runners, cyclists, and triathletes, to list a few. The Lilleshall Clinic provides a range of treatments including physiotherapy, massage, podiatry, sports medicine, shockwave therapy, and acupuncture. We're committed to delivering the highest quality service as well as unrivaled facilities, and continue to be at the forefront of scientific innovation, investing in the very best products and technology to ensure you receive the very best treatment. And we are proud to be the first clinic in the county to introduce the very latest in foot scanning technology and Phits 3D printed orthotics. This system is revolutionizing the way we treat foot, leg, and back problems. This patented technology provides an advanced, in-depth assessment of an individual's biomechanics, enabling us to make the most accurate diagnosis. This is the most high-tech pressure plate on the market, with over 8,000 individual sensors which take hundreds of readings every second to provide a complete picture of your foot functioning when you stand, walk, and run, helping us to pinpoint just where you need support. Truly groundbreaking. In comparison with the traditional cast or mold system, which focuses purely on static foot impressions, this system maps and records the precise movement of your feet dynamically, providing detailed analysis of your foot mechanics undetectable by the human eye. A comprehensive report is generated and analyzed and used to inform our clinical recommendations. If a pair of insoles are recommended, a 3D printer transforms this data into a completely bespoke orthotic designed exclusively for you. Because the insoles are based on your individual dynamic movement patterns, they ensure your foot mechanics are optimized, helping to eradicate pain, increase speed of rehabilitation, and supporting you to achieve optimum biomechanics. This world-class system really is the future, and once again, we are proud to be leading the way. For more information or to book an assessment, please contact us on admin@lilleshall.com, call us on 01952 605 828, or visit our website www.lilleshall.com.